I've just recently added another effect to my store, and that is ceiling fan. And you will be surprised how well it fits with interior scenes. So I will demonstrate it very quickly for you here. It is a transparent video file, and literally you just drop it over the scene, select your ceiling fan, adjust the scale if needed, and just leave it at the very top of it. Then if needed, you go to adjustment, curves, and make sure that it does not stand out too much, that it is not the main focus of the scene. So it always helps to reduce the color, add more shadow to it, so adjust accordingly, play it, and here you go. It just makes it so much more realistic, so much more alive. Here's another image and another ceiling fan. Now, as you can see, the ceiling fan is way too big. What we're gonna do, we're gonna scale it down. So probably something like that. Place it at the very top of it. Now, it does not match at the moment. Let's adjust the colors of it. So go to adjustments, go to curves, and let's see what fits here. Let's make it darker. Let's reduce the white color there. As you can see, if you drag it, reduce the white color. Then, because the scene has a lot of purple and blue tint, we can add a blue tint to the ceiling fan as well. Take the midpoint of the blue and just drag it up. And you can reduce the greens if you want to add more purplish look, as you can see. And just like that, your scene is so much more alive, so much more interesting. So if you're interested in buying this effect, there is a link in the description below. Take care.